case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the late 1980s, a fierce custody dispute unraveled between two parents in Colorado, which heavily hinged on the interpretation of the Domestic Abuse Act. A concerned mother, fearing for her safety due to the father's past threats, had successfully obtained a temporary restraining order against him. However, the case gained complexity and escalated to the state Supreme Court when the local county court impetuously issued a more lasting measure: a permanent injunction without giving the father any notice or a fair chance to defend himself. Under the scrutiny of the highest court in the state, the legal predicament revolved around the central question: did the county court truly have the authority to make such a weighty decision? In the midst of this legal tussle stood their minor child. The court proceedings delved into sections 14.4.102 and -103 of the Domestic Abuse Act, which also governed protection towards minors. Upon thorough examination, the Supreme Court concurred with the earlier district court ruling, affirming firm jurisdiction of the county court in this matter. It was established the county court did possess the necessary authority to restrict the father, despite its typically limited domain. In short, the injunction was justifiable under the expansive scope of the Domestic Abuse Act that allowed for measures including the protection of minor children. However, the case outcome was not an outright victory for the mother. The court registered a significant error in the lower court's conduct: the exclusion of fair due process for the father. The permanent injunction was indeed within the court's discretion, yet the oversight of not giving the father due notice and the opportunity to be heard tainted the decision's legality. Lastly, the court was meticulous in clarifying that while the county court has the power to decide on restraining orders, actual custody and visitation rights still firmly remained within the broader and more traditional purview of the district court.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class